Top 6 breads every diabetic can safely enjoy. Managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up on bread. Far from it. The key is choosing the right types of bread that support stable blood sugar levels and fit into a balanced, diabetes-friendly diet. Even better, you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy these options. In today's video, we'll share the top 6 breads every diabetic can safely enjoy that are not only low on the glycemic index and high in fiber, but also budget-friendly and easy to find. From classic whole grain options to some surprising picks, we've got something for every taste and meal. And stick around until the end for a bonus tip on how to make any bread even healthier and more diabetes-friendly. Without spending extra, let's get started. Bread 1. 100% whole grain bread first on our list is a staple for many diabetics. 100% whole grain bread. Unlike white bread or refined flour options, whole grain bread is made from unprocessed grains, which means it's packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This high fiber content helps slow the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, keeping your blood sugar levels stable after meals. Why it's great for diabetics. Whole grain bread has a lower glycemic index compared to refined breads, which means it won't cause sharp spikes in your blood sugar. The fiber also keeps you feeling full longer, which can help with portion control and managing hunger. What to look for? When choosing whole grain bread, check the label to ensure it says 100% whole grain or 100% whole wheat. Avoid breads with added sugars or those labeled simply as wheat bread, which may still contain refined flour. Budget-friendly tip. Whole grain bread is widely available at most grocery stores, and store brands or generic options are often just as nutritious as premium brands. Look for sales or consider buying in bulk and freezing extra loaves to save money. How to use it. Whole grain bread is perfect for morning toast with avocado, or a simple turkey sandwich for lunch. For an extra fiber boost, pair it with a handful of leafy greens or sliced cucumbers. Meal idea. Make an open-faced sandwich with a slice of whole grain bread, a layer of hummus, and topped with fresh spinach and sliced tomatoes. It's a quick, diabetes-friendly meal that's both affordable and satisfying. Whole grain bread is a simple, accessible choice that can easily fit into a balanced, diabetes-friendly diet. Let's move on to the next bread option. Bread 2. Sprouted grain. Bread. Next up is sprouted grain bread, a nutrient-dense option that's quickly gaining popularity among diabetics, and for good reason. Made from grains that have been allowed to sprout before baking, this bread retains more nutrients and fiber compared to traditional bread. It's also easier to digest, making it an excellent choice for managing blood sugar levels. Why it's great for diabetics. Sprouted grain bread has a low glycemic index, meaning it causes a slower, steadier rise in blood sugar. The sprouting process breaks down starches in the grains, which helps lower the carb content and make nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and antioxidants more available to your body. What to look for? When shopping, look for bread labeled sprouted grain or brands like Ezekiel bread, which are often found in the refrigerated or frozen section of the store. These breads are free of added sugars and refined flour, making them a clean and healthy choice. Budget-friendly. Tip. Sprouted grain bread can sometimes be pricier than other options, but buying it in bulk and storing it in the freezer can help cut costs. Additionally, some store brands now offer more affordable sprouted grain options. How to use it. Sprouted grain bread is great for breakfast toast with almond butter, or as the base for a veggie-packed sandwich. It pairs perfectly with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil, which also support stable blood sugar levels. Meal idea. Try topping a slice of sprouted grain bread with smashed avocado, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and a dash of chili flakes for a quick and diabetes-friendly snack that's bursting with flavor and nutrients. Sprouted grain bread is a powerhouse of nutrition that's perfect for managing diabetes naturally and affordably. Let's move on to the third bread option. Bread 3. Sourdough. Bread third on our list is a surprising favorite, sourdough bread. While many breads can quickly spike blood sugar levels, sourdough is different because of its unique fermentation process. Made with natural yeast and lactic acid bacteria, sourdough bread has a lower glycemic index and can be easier to digest than other types of bread. Why it's great for diabetics. The fermentation process in sourdough breaks down some of the starches in the flour, reducing its impact on your blood sugar. This also increases the availability of nutrients like B vitamins, iron, and zinc. Plus, sourdough's tangy flavor makes it a versatile and delicious addition to any meal. What to look for? Opt for authentic sourdough bread made with minimal ingredients, just flour, water, and salt. Be cautious of store-bought sourdough labeled as flavored or artisan, as these may contain added sugars or refined flours. Budget-friendly tip. If store-bought sourdough is too expensive, consider making your own at home. With just a few simple ingredients and a little patience, you can bake fresh, healthy sourdough bread that's both affordable and nutritious. How to use it. Sourdough bread is excellent for sandwiches, toast, or even as a side with soups and salads. Its mild, tangy flavor pairs well with savory toppings like hummus or poached eggs. Meal idea. Toast a slice of sourdough bread and top it with ricotta cheese, a few slices of fresh tomato, and a sprinkle of basil. Drizzle with a tiny bit of olive oil for a simple yet diabetes-friendly snack that's loaded with flavor. Sourdough bread offers a tasty, low GI option for diabetics, blending affordability and versatility into one great choice. Let's move on to the next bread option. Bread 4. Rye bread. Next on our list is rye bread, a hearty and flavorful option that's perfect for diabetics. Made from rye grain, this bread has a dense texture and is packed with nutrients that support stable blood sugar levels. Rye bread is often lower in carbs and higher in fiber compared to traditional wheat bread, making it an excellent choice for managing diabetes. Why it's great for diabetics. Rye bread has a low glycemic index, which means it causes a slower rise in blood sugar after eating. Its high fiber content helps keep you feeling full longer and aids digestion. Rye also contains compounds that may improve insulin sensitivity, further supporting blood sugar control. What to look for? When buying rye bread, check the label to ensure it's made with whole grain rye flour and not a mix of refined flours. True rye bread is darker in color and has a dense texture. Avoid versions with added sugars or preservatives. Budget-friendly. Tip: rye bread is often affordable, especially if you buy it from local bakeries or in-store brands. If you're on a tight budget, choose generic options labeled whole grain rye. How to use it? Rye bread's bold flavor pairs beautifully with savory toppings like smoked salmon, lean turkey, or avocado. It's also great as a base for open-faced sandwiches or alongside hearty soups and stews. Meal idea. Create a diabetes-friendly lunch by topping a slice of rye bread with hummus, sliced cucumbers, and a sprinkle of paprika. Pair it with a side of mixed greens for a filling, balanced meal. Rye bread is a delicious and nutrient-dense option that adds variety to your diabetes-friendly bread selection. Let's move on to the fifth bread choice. Bread 5. Multigrain. Bread 5th. On our list is multigrain bread, a fantastic option for diabetics looking to add variety and nutrients to their meals. Multigrain bread is made with a mix of different grains like oats, barley, millet, and whole wheat, which provide a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. This combination helps stabilize blood sugar and keeps you feeling full for longer. Why it's great for diabetics. The mix of grains in multigrain bread adds more fiber and nutrients than traditional white bread. Fiber slows down digestion, preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes. Additionally, multigrain bread is often fortified with essential nutrients like magnesium and iron, which support overall health. What to look for? Not all multigrain breads are created equal. Look for options labeled 100% whole grain or whole multigrain. Avoid breads that use refined flours as the primary ingredient or include added sugars. A dense texture and visible grains are good signs of a quality product. Budget-friendly tip: multigrain bread is widely available, and store brands or generic options are often just as nutritious as premium brands. Check your grocery store's bakery section for fresh, affordable loaves. You can also freeze extra slices to make them last longer. How to use it: multigrain bread works well for sandwiches, toast, or even as a side with a meal. Its hearty flavor pairs beautifully with both savory and sweet toppings. Meal idea: for a balanced snack, toast a slice of multigrain bread and top it with almond butter and a few slices of banana. Sprinkle with a pinch of cinnamon for a satisfying and diabetes-friendly treat. Multigrain bread is a versatile and nutrient-packed option that can easily fit into your diabetes-friendly meal plan. Let's move on to the sixth and final bread. Bread 6. Oat bread last, but certainly not least, is oat bread. A wholesome and diabetes-friendly option that's perfect for those looking to stabilize blood sugar naturally. Made with oats as a primary ingredient, this bread is high in fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which has been shown to help lower blood sugar levels and improve heart health. Why it's great for diabetics: oats are naturally low on the glycemic index, and the beta-glucan fiber in oat bread slows down digestion and sugar absorption. This means fewer blood sugar spikes and a steadier supply of energy. Oats also support healthy cholesterol levels, which is an added bonus for diabetics. What to look for: choose oat bread that lists whole oats or whole grain oat flour as one of the first ingredients. Avoid varieties that include refined flours or added sugars, as these can negate the benefits. Many bakeries now offer high-quality oat bread that's both nutritious and delicious. Budget-friendly tip: oat bread can sometimes be on the pricier side, but you can save money by baking your own at home with simple ingredients like rolled oats, whole wheat flour, and a touch of honey or a sugar substitute. Home-baked bread is not only cost-effective but also free of preservatives. How to use it: oat bread's mild flavor makes it incredibly versatile. It's great for breakfast toast, sandwich bread, or even as a snack with your favorite spread. Meal idea: start your morning with a slice of oat bread topped with Greek yogurt, fresh blueberries, and a drizzle of sugar-free syrup. This breakfast is rich in fiber and protein, making it the perfect diabetes-friendly start to your day. Oat bread wraps up our list as a delicious, nutritious, and affordable choice for diabetics. Now let's move on to a quick summary and some closing thoughts. And there you have it, the top 6 breads every diabetic can safely enjoy. From the hearty whole grain options to the nutrient-dense sprouted grain bread, and even the surprising addition of sourdough, these choices show that bread doesn't have to be off the menu for diabetics. Each of these breads provides fiber, nutrients, and a low glycemic impact, helping you stabilize your blood sugar while still enjoying the foods you love. Whether you're preparing breakfast, lunch, or a quick snack, these breads offer delicious diabetes-friendly options that are also easy on your budget. And remember, pairing your bread with the right toppings and sides, like non-starchy vegetables or healthy fats, can make your meals even more effective for managing blood sugar. Now it's your turn. Which bread are you most excited to try? Or do you have a favorite diabetes-friendly bread that we missed? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with someone who might benefit from these tips. And make sure to subscribe for more practical, diabetes-friendly advice and recipes every week. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching and for taking the time to invest in your health. Remember, managing diabetes is a journey, and every small change makes a big difference. Stay motivated, stay consistent, and most importantly, enjoy the process of creating a healthier, happier you. Until next time, stay healthy and inspired. We'll see you in the next video.